Hi, in this video for the Walker WP6500TTR Saorview Plus PVR box, we're basically going to show you how to tune in your Saorview channels, okay? So when you've turned the box on first and you have it connected up to your TV, you'll be faced with a menu like this. So you can use the arrow buttons to select your language, but you know, most people will probably select English and that'll be by default, so press the OK button. The next section then is to select your country, and obviously that'll be Ireland, so I just press OK to continue again. You can select your TV type. You can use the left arrow to go back to a 4:3 setting, or the vast majority of people will be using 16:9, so you can leave it as it is and then press OK to continue. You can change your HDMI resolution as well. The default is 1080p. You know, most people will probably just leave it like this. So press OK to continue. And then it asks, do you want to start an automatic channel scan? And we're going to say, you can use the arrow buttons again, and we're going to select the yes and press OK. So this process will take a few minutes, and it's just going to go through every transmitter in its database basically and see what it can pick up. What will happen at the end of this is that, you know, it'll find channels from a range of different transmitters, and it kind of works out then, you know, the best or the strongest one, and that's the only one that it keeps. So by the end of this scan, you should have 8 channels, okay? So that will include the dormant channels as well. You know, like when you scan something during the day, some boxes that don't pick up will say RTE+1, which only starts broadcasting at 7 in the evening, or if you scanned in the evening it mightn't pick up RTE Junior, but this box picks it all up in one go and sorts it out then for you. So you can see there we're probably nearly a quarter way through the scan at this stage, just after picking up some radio stations there already. There's actually 10 radio stations currently, and I'm talking in January 2013, available on the Saorview platform, and you can see the list of them there. They're just all RTE stations at the moment. You know, over time some commercial stations may be added to that, but just at the moment then it's just the RTE radio stations. So it's probably going to take another couple of minutes at this stage. So if you want to kind of just skip through the video maybe till towards the end, you know, because we're going to have a bit of dead air in the meantime, you'll see how the scan ends. So I'll say nothing now for a minute and just let it run through. So it's just coming up towards the end of the scan there now, and you can see it's picked up the TV channels, picked up the radio channels, and this what will happen at the end of your scan. You'll get an error message like this, okay? And the reason you'll get that is if you don't have a network cable plugged into the Ethernet port on the back. Now this makes absolutely no differences because there's actually no IPTV services on this box. Okay, so if you don't have the cable plugged in, you'll get this error message, but it makes absolutely no difference. Okay, so at this stage you just press the OK button, and then it starts as normal. Okay, so you have it all tuned in at that stage, and just to show you there now, we have the 8 channels tuned in. So that's basically it, how you tune in the Saorview channels on the Walker WP6500TTR Saorview Plus PVR receiver.